Hello, my name is Laura Bobadilla, and my activity is for the subject of science with the topic of the five senses. The time for this activity are 80 minutes, and the age of the kids are 6 to 7 years old. The objective of this activity is by the end of the class, students will be able to recognize the five senses. Active content is the students will be able to learn the function of each sense. The teaching objective communication is the students will be able to name the objects that can identify by each one of their sense. The language of learning are five senses: eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and fingers, see, smell, touch, hear, and taste. And the language for learning are I can see some object with my eyes, I can smell some object with my nose, I can taste with my tongue, I can touch with my fingers, and I can hear with my ears. In the stage of proactivity, I am going to present the next video, and kids need looking and listening the video, the song, and the picture that show in the video. For this stage are 5 minutes, and the resources are the song and the indicators of achievement, and look and listening the video. In the stage of wild activity in the presentation, the room will be divided into 5 spaces. Each space will be in a sense, and the children will rotate for each one. I explain the function, and in each space will be some objects that the children they can touch, smell, see, hear, and feel. There will be an object for each one student. The space is the sense of see. The children will be observing the image of the eyes, some colors and clouds, pictures like this. The second space is the sense of smell, and the children can look the picture of nose and smell some elements like alcohol and vinegar. In the third space is the sense of taste, and the children can look the picture of a mouth and can taste some elements like lemon and honey. In the fourth space is the sense of hear, and they can look the picture and they can listen some sounds of birds or wheels of a car. And in the last space is the sense of touch. This is the picture, and they can look the picture and they can touch some objects like cotton and wooden figures. The time for this stage are 30 minutes, and the resources are eyes, clothes, nose, mouth, hand, colors, alcohol, vinegar, honey, lemon, cotton, wooden figures, bird, whistles, and the indicators of achievements are look the sense in the space, listen in the explication, are see, smell, hear, touch, and feel the objects that are in some space. In the stage of proactivity, in the controlled practice, each child will have an image of like this, and the idea is that the teacher will give orders or sentence like with this sense we can smell, or with this sense we can listen. And the idea is each child must put the corresponding sense image in the body. Each child have a picture of a body human, and after the children can be said, I can see with my eyes, or I can smell with my nose, etc. The time for this part are 15 minutes. The resources are human body, ears, eyes, mouth, nose, and hands, a picture of these objects, And the indicators of achievements are repeat the actions with the objects, follow the instructions, put the corresponding picture in the corresponding part of the body parts, and repeat the sentence of I can see, I can smell. In the stage of free practice, each child will be given a guide like this, and in this guide they will be due write the name of the sense corresponding the drawing. After they join with a line the sense with the image, and in the third point they mark with an X the sense that is used in each case. For example, the tongue, in which sense, the ear, the eyes, the nose, etc. The time for this activity are 15 minutes, and the resources are the word guide. And the indicators of achievements are follow the instruction and make this word guide. Of closure, the idea is that each child will sit with a partner and correct the word guide. The idea is that first correct with the partner and after with the instructions of the teacher. And then teacher said the first drawing are the sense, the correct sense and organ are this, and the correction of the point that mark with an X. And for finish the activity, the idea is that the children will be heard again the song, and in this moment when the video say I can't, for example, I can listening with my ear, the idea is that the child say this part but with an object of the activity. For this part are 15 minutes, and the resources are the word guide and the song, and the indicators of achievements are share the answers with the partner, make the corrections, and listening and look in the video, and repeat the song but with the objects of the activity. For this activity are or can be that children do not rotate in order because the all of children rotate in the same moment, don't understand the explication of function of the sense, don't know perform the guides according the instructions of the teacher, and the activity has a very high level of English, and the children don't have this level and don't understand the instruction, the explication, or